Okay, how could you make a full screen background image using HTML and CSS? I've been working on gradients today, experimenting with CSS rules, and I want to make a full screen background image, not just in a left corner or something, but I want to cover a whole screen. So how can I do that? Okay, I found various ways, but I'm going to use a style rule in the head section. So within the opening head tag and the closing head tag, I'm going to make a new style rule. So style, what is it? Type equals, and it's already put the commas there for me. And yes, I want text. Offered me that option. I want text. CSS. It's not going to be JavaScript or PHP. It's going to be so, and then close brackets, and it's already put in the closing style rule. So enter, and it'll go down a line, and a few more. Click inside. I'm inside the style rule. It's going to be nested inside the opening and the closing style rule. I'm using Expression Web, by the way. Right, in here, the style I want to attach it to is body. So I'm making a style rule to the body, and the body is here, opening and closing. So body, opening parenthesis, and it's offered me some rules. I want background image. Pick URL? No, I've got my own, which I've pasted. Paste that in. These are all red, green and blue, excuse me, gradients, linear gradient, and they're all colours, and at the end of them I've got to put a semicolon. That tells the browser we're all finished. So enter, and it'll go a line below. There we are. And now I want background size. I'll click on again. B. I thought it was going to come on again, the IntelliSense, but it hasn't. That doesn't matter. Background. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. You know, size. Column. Background size. Background size. And I want cover. Semicolon. And it's come on again. It always comes on in funny places. So background size, cover. Enter. Enter to go a line below, but still in that closing parenthesis. There's a line underneath that because as I hover over it says the property is invalid, not supported by this, blah de blah. But it should work. It should work. They always say things like that. Certain rules are being deprecated and so on. Background. Background attachment is what I want next. Colon. And there it says, it gives me the rule. That's the one I'm after. Fixed. And I'm going to have a semicolon again. So, style type equals text CSS. So it's CSS rules. I'm attaching the inside is the body, and inside that are the body are these rules now. So I put my colour in. I want it to cover the whole background. It's fixed. So let's see what happens here. I'm previewing in Chrome. Okay, there it is. I'm previewing the browser, and you can see that's covering that whole screen. A brown gradient going down. If I press on maximize, oh, what's going on to my, and there we are. It's covering everything on that screen. So no matter whatever dimension, mobile, whatever, it's covering the full screen. It's a full screen background. So there you are. Just copy that, and that should work.